We all know the routine that comes with the first of the month. The paper checks pile up, you make trips to the bank, and you enter every single payment manually. This process is not just slow, it's a bottleneck that can hold your business back. But moving to an online rent payment system is one of the most direct ways to build a more efficient operation. In this video, we'll explore the steps you need to take to move your rent payments online. But before we do that, definitely hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our property management videos. Online rent payment allows tenants to pay through ACH bank transfers or through credit or debit cards. Payments flow directly into your bank account and, if you have the right property management software, post to your ledger automatically. The benefits of online rent payments include faster deposits, reduced manual data entry, and fewer NSF returns. Residents often prefer digital payments too, since they're more than likely paying for many of their other expenses online. Before you begin preparing for the transition, it's important to choose the right software platform to handle online rent payments. The right solutions should support multiple payment methods, automate reminders, ensure compliance, and provide a smooth onboarding experience for both staff and residents. Buildium is a strong choice for property managers looking to digitize and automate rent collection. It supports ACH bank transfers, credit and debit card payments, and recurring autopay options. Buildium also includes automated rent reminders to reduce late payments and offers a resident center where tenants can easily manage their payments. The platform provides onboarding support to help you set up your system and train your team, and it includes built-in compliance tools to help you stay aligned with trust accounting and PCI standards. By selecting a robust platform like Buildium, you lay the foundation for a successful transition to online rent collection. To learn more, check out the links in the description. Once you know which software you'll use to track online rent payments, you'll have to make sure you set up the right processes and infrastructure. Start by aligning your bank accounts, trust accounting structures, and funding paths to receive payments and move them to the right place. To make sure your banking structure is compliant with state and municipal laws, consult with a tax professional. To learn more about trust accounting or setting up a chart of accounts, check out the links in the description. Set up your chart of accounts and GL mapping for accurate bookkeeping. Clean up your resident roster to make sure you have everyone's contact information to communicate payment changes. Then, segment your tenants by property to organize a phased rollout. Define policies for late fees and partial payments. Assign roles and responsibilities to your team members, as well as permissions in your software. Finally, get one last legal review of all your rent collection processes, as well as owner buy-in. When your banking is set up properly and you've chosen the right software, it's time to roll out your online payments. Begin with a pilot property where residents are tech-savvy. Set success metrics like adoption rate and time saved. Start with ACH payments, then add cards and autopay. Enable rent reminders and test funding timelines. Expand to other properties and waves, adjusting based on feedback. As you plan your rollout to each property, announce the changes early with letters and welcome emails. Use flyers, QR codes, and app onboarding to guide residents. Prepare front desk scripts and follow-up calls. To pique tenants' interest, consider offering incentives for early adoption. Offering rent reporting to the major credit bureaus and boosting renters' credit scores could get their attention. Software solutions like Buildium can help make that available to your tenants. To learn more, check the link in the description. Other incentives, like a small discount on rent for the first month or a raffled prize, could also boost adoption. As you communicate the payment changes to your tenants, it's important to be transparent about when payments settle. ACH credits typically settle within 1 to 2 business days, while card payouts may fund as soon as the next business day. Payments made on weekends or holidays usually settle on the next banking day. Communicating these timelines clearly helps prevent late payment disputes and improves resident trust. Finally, Don't forget to support all tenants by offering multilingual notices, and make sure the rent collection app you use includes ADA-compliant access. For tenants who simply can't pay online or who may have trouble doing so on any given month, provide offline backups like money orders and document exceptions. Be transparent about funding timelines and cutoff times. Transitioning to online rent collection improves efficiency and cash flow. Follow a phased approach, offer multiple payment options, and document compliance protocols. Ready to automate rent collection and focus on growth? You can check out Buildium's rent and accounting features by signing up for a free 14-day trial, no credit card required, or by scheduling a demo. And if you want to learn more about automating your property management business, check out our library of videos and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.